Have you ever wondered how the Ayurvedic diet works? The Ayurvedic diet is based on the ancient Indian philosophy of Ayurveda, which emphasizes balance in the body's life energies, known as doshas. Let's delve into the intriguing world of Ayurveda. The universe, according to Ayurveda, comprises 5 elements: Vayu or air, Jala or water, Akash or space, Teja or fire, and Prithvi or earth. These elements join forces to create what we call doshas. These are life energies. The 3 doshas are Vata, which is space and air, Pitta, which is fire and water, and Kapha, which is earth and water. In each of us, these 3 doshas coexist. However, typically one dosha tends to be more dominant, while the other 2 should ideally maintain a balanced but often shifting equilibrium. The key to optimal health lies in balancing these doshas. Once the dominant energy force is identified, it becomes easier to consume foods that nourish and promote balance within the body. Simultaneously, foods that may cause imbalance and potentially lead to various health issues, such as poor digestion, inadequate sleep, anxiety, skin issues, and more, can be avoided. To illustrate, consider Pitta, which comprises the fire element. In order to maintain balance, an individual with a dominant Pitta dosha should steer clear of foods that might fuel this fire, such as spicy dishes. There are comprehensive guides available, such as one from the Ayurvedic Institute, which lists foods to consume and avoid based on your dosha. However, it's important to note that since Ayurveda is an ancient practice, there may be slight variations across different sources. You might be wondering, how do I identify my dominant dosha? The most accurate method would be consulting an Ayurvedic doctor. However, there are also simple quizzes available online that can help you identify your dosha. Furthermore, understanding the general characteristics associated with each dosha can also provide valuable insights. For instance, Vatas are known to be creative, energetic, and expressive. Pittas, on the other hand, are intelligent, ambitious, and sharp-witted, while Kaphas are nurturing, calm, and thoughtful. By understanding these characteristics, you can better identify your dominant dosha and tailor your diet accordingly. This could include a range of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, dairy, meat, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices, all chosen to nourish your body and maintain balance between your doshas. In conclusion, the Ayurvedic diet is not merely about what you eat. It's a holistic approach that encourages balance and harmony within the body. It emphasizes the importance of understanding one's own body and nourishing it with the right foods to achieve optimal health and well-being. Remember, balance is the key to a healthy life according to Ayurveda.